Let's see how we can upload a story on our Instagram account from PC or laptop. So to do that, at first you have to log in your Instagram account. Then right click on your mouse, select here inspect. Then you should try to see whether you can see these responsive options on your screen. If you don't see, then just need to simply click over this toggle device. Okay, then you have to select here this drop down and select your device type. You can select any device randomly, it is nothing. Okay, then you should just refresh the page for 2 times. Okay, now here you can see your story is available. Just need to simply click on this plus icon. And select the image. And here you can see your story is edited here. So click here, share story. So in that way, you can upload a story from PC or laptop.